Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for a simple and completely free way to back up your entire disk? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Rescuezilla, a powerful Linux-based backup tool, to create a full disk backup and restore it anytime you need. This is perfect if you're upgrading your storage, like moving from a smaller disk to a larger one, replacing a failing drive, or migrating your system to a new SSD without losing any data. First, open your browser and go to the official website of Rescuezilla, rescuezilla.com. Scroll down and click on Download. Download the latest version of Rescuezilla ISO file. Next, visit Rufus at rufus.ie and download Rufus. This tool will help us create a bootable USB. Now open Rufus. Connect your USB flash drive to your computer. In Rufus, select your USB device. Click Select. And choose the Rescuezilla ISO file. Then click Start. By default, it's set to write in ISO image mode, recommended. Just leave it as it is and click OK. Then click No. Wait until the bootable USB is created. Restart your computer and boot from the USB drive. You may need to press boot menu key like F12, Escape, or Delete depending on your system. Once Rescuezilla loads, select your preferred language. Select Start Rescuezilla. On the main screen, you'll see multiple options. If you want to make a direct copy of your entire disk, you can use Clone option. Just select your source disk, then choose the destination disk, and it will clone everything exactly as it is. But in this video, we're not going to use the clone method. So go back to the main menu. I'll show you how to create a disk image backup instead, which you can restore to another disk anytime. Click on Backup. Select your main disk, for example, your NVMe SSD. Next, select the partitions you want to save. By default, all partitions are already selected. Just click Next. Now choose your destination, select your external USB drive. If your external disk has multiple partitions, choose the correct one, for example, the partition named SOF. Choose where you want to save the backup, or simply keep the default location and click Next. Then enter a name for your backup, like My Laptop Backup. Confirm all settings, then start the backup process. This may take some time depending on your disk size. Once the backup is completed, click Shutdown and remove the USB drive. Now boot back into Windows. Open your external drive and browse to the backup folder. You'll see all your backup files safely stored there. If you ever need to restore your system, boot again using the Rescuezilla USB. Select Restore. Select your backup drive, then the system will scan and display available backup files. Choose the one you want to restore. And follow the same steps in reverse. That's it. You've successfully backed up your entire disk using a free and powerful tool. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.